In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a YouTube video to Google Slides. Now, first thing you want to do, guys, you want to find a video that you want to add to your Google Slides. For example, I want to add this video. Click on it. Now, after that, guys, you want to copy the link of the video in the top. Click Ctrl+C or copy it manually. Now, the second thing, guys, you want to search for Google Slides and open your account. Now, next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on blank, as you can see, blank. Next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on where it says insert, in the top left, insert, and then select video. And then what you need to do, guys, you want to search for the video that you want to add or paste the URL. This is a very hard word for me. URL. Okay, paste it here. This is the video. Click on it. Click insert. And the video is going to be added. You can then minimize it, you can make it bigger, you can resize it. So that's exactly how you can do that. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.